Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're out looking for some recycling. Keep it out of landfill and let's see how we do. Looks like a heck of a mess there. Free to take, still works. Okay, that's good for us. So we won't scrap that one out. I think we'll clean it up and kind of the end of the summer here. But if we could quick wash, interesting. Pretty beat up, but you know, if it works, it works. Lots of oil and stuff leaking on it though. I don't want to get all that all over me. Normally just flip that over, but I don't want the oil coming out. Let's see if we can tie it down a little bit. This won't be super strong, but should keep it from rolling out the side here. Okay, if you caught the other day's video, we passed this TV up. It's mostly just plastic and stuff, but we'll recycle it. Phillips. Never know, might work. Alright guys, another lawnmower. Must be the end of the season, eh? Also says free on it. Briggs and Stratton engine. A little rusty up there, but what does it say? Yeah, 21 inch. Let's put her in. Paul, Scrap and Pallet Man, has a lawnmower guy. Wonder if I can find a lawnmower guy here that'll pay a few dollars for these and then we can recycle them and he'll rebuild them. So if anybody's out there watching this video, you want to repair lawnmowers or know a guy, let me know. Yeah, I think that's what it is. Some kind of chair mechanism. Looks like there could be a good mower in there, or a motor. I'm talking about mowers because we picked up all these mowers. Alright, let's just throw it in. This is one of the hydraulic pistons or hydraulic cylinders? Yeah, hydraulic cylinders. I was looking at those at one point to possibly do something with the truck here. Some of those front loader washers are got to be at least close to 200 pounds. Oh, here's one little piece. Thermal Ionic Bayless Pro. So I think that's for hairstylists. Definitely a unique item. I'll take care of it. Maybe we can resell it or give it to the thrift store. And it's a possibility this fan works, even though it's a little, the stand's a little mangled there. But it might work. Let's put it up here. There's a chance that TV could work too. And this'll go. Someone would buy that, wouldn't they? Or we could use it for some tool bits or something. Let's put it this way down so these drawers don't come out. Pretty good little stop there. Is this part detached? No, it's on there. Toasty, toasty hot out. Okay guys, I think we're going to wrap this one up. I got to get back and we're low on battery here. But stay tuned for another video as well. We're going to head over to Phil's yard, do some metal processing so we can get the most value out of our scrap that we picked up. We're also dropping off an office chair for Phil and his wife, I think. So stay tuned for that. Appreciate you watching and all the support. Take care out there.